Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I feel like laughing and at the same time Ginamahloni, guys, ginamahloni ingati. I don't know how many years have I been saying for this latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu. Listen, all I'm going to say, ukuthi le unithi umselegu bekade khala ngayo for seasons and seasons. I feel like, guys, we got a glimpse of it tonight, man. Aye, man, because the wives. Tonight, the wives said, Ubuti, hayi Mselegu, hayi Musa. Not today, boo boo. Not today. Today is not your day because we are going to unite in saying, Ubuti, asazi lutho. And listen, if I was any of the wives, though, guys, we must be honest, the wives acted as if they didn't know Ubuti uzothula number 5. See? They acted like they didn't know about any of that, yet they knew. But listen, if I was one of them, I was also going to act as if I didn't know because when niggas wendaba Mselegu, you didn't come and tell me anything. So then zozithunela and act as if I don't know nami ke. But guys, there's something that I want to talk about before I get to that, guys. Let's just give a round of applause for the star of the show. Aye, man. Let me just say the stars of the show. Starting number 1 with Uma Khumalo. Aye, Makums. Aye, Makums tonight, guys. She surprised me. She surprised me, you guys. And I'm like, oh, Makhumalo, ingakho uthule kangaka because you know ukuthi this season uhamba ngesinye step, my dear. Not the step lesumselo kasaziyo. The second star of the night is Umayeni, you guys. One thing we've got to give it to Umayeni, you guys. She will tell Indaba as it is, especially when she told that Vugani guy and she put that Vugani guy in his place. Okay, guys, let's rewind it a little bit, right? Umselegu fine, Ababa Duma are there. Umselegu then goes on to say, Wuti, thank you for being here. Thanks his people. And then says, which okay, fine. You guys can see my 4 wives are here, but there's another one that you guys don't know. And I would like us to go outside to go and meet her outside of the gate. And that is just me respecting my wives because there are some of my wives who are not comfortable with Linda, but at number 5. Ne? And then this Vugani guy, he gets up. And he's like, I am Tombeni. Tina basicela confirmation. We are asking for confirmation from one of your wives that Ngempela. Like basically saying, Ngempela, we want confirmation. Your wives, abamfunu number 5, ukuthi alethenwe lana endlini. I kind of felt like hayibo Vukani ungenaphi lapho angithi wena umemiwe lana so yizwa ngomselegu if umselegu is saying asiyene egate asiyene ngaphandle kwegceke to meet to number 5 do as you're told. Why you are coming to question another man's instructions in his own home? I just feel like Uvugani wanted to make it seem as if he is for the wives, but he was trying to start something there, guys, and I don't appreciate it because he was trying to act smart, but Umayeni caught onto it, at least the others, or maybe everyone caught onto it, but Umayeni put him in his place because Umayeni said, listen, Musa uzoxabanisa umusa with abafazi bakhe because wena kusasa or wena namhlanje mawusuka lana you're going to be happy with your wives and umusa is going to be left here quarreling or not on good terms with his wives. So please, we are the 4 wives, we are the ones who take care of this man. You can see he's not well, so please musukala into nje that you like in nje. And I liked and I appreciated Umayeni for that because umangwabe she noticed or she also felt as if Uvugani was disrespectful, but she said it in a diary session. But Umayeni, she addressed Uvugani there and there with I see lento oyenzayo. And for real, guys, like what was he trying to do? Like, oh, but anyway, Uvugani, he's pressing on the matter ukuthi no, siyabuza Mselegu, but we want to hear it from one of the wives' mouth ukuthi they are not fine ngale ndaba ka number 5. You can see ukuthi no wife is planning to get up. One thing I must say, shame Umatsele, she really supported her husband through through and through. Uma Khumalo gets up, you guys. She gets up and she's like, Tina, What we know is that vele this was umcimbi for ukubonga impilo and whatnot. Okunye nokunye asikwazi. We know nothing about it. Mhlampe uMthombeni noMatsele bayosichazela if there was any other agenda, but we don't know of it. I'm like, Makhumalo, Judas, man, because Makhumalo is the one wife that Umusa explained it clearly and thoroughly to her that he wanted to introduce number 5. It's just that by the time their conversation ended, Umusa and Umakhumalo did not agree on what Umusa wanted to do. But she knew very well. It's unlike Umayeni and Umangwabe. They heard from third parties. And me too, if I'm hearing from a third party, I am going to Lo Mcimbi as if I don't know nothing. So Umakhumalo to say that, I just like Makhumalo. It's been the singaga. Guys, now I'm questioning myself. What's it? Umakhumalo all these seasons. Was she really fine with number 5? Or she acted as if she was fine with number 5 because she thought it was really not going to happen? Because I'm trying to grasp what could have changed with Umakhumalo. Yes, I know ukuthi le ndaba yokuthi uSamke is from Mzumbe, iyamcika, but I'm just like, knowing Umakhumalo, we would have expected ukuthi uzoxola Olise, not ukuthi akole of the fact that Usamke is from Mzumbe and support her husband. But this time around, guys, yay, she wants nothing to do with number 5. And I'm just like, Umusa in his diary session is like, Aibo, Umakhumalo, ever since number 5 has been introduced, she has changed. She is no longer on my corner. I'm like, no, sir, you, Ileli 2K Lako, is going to be on your corner because clearly, like, you have shown all these wives the middle finger. You have forced to introduce to number 5 when they are telling you clearly which they are not fine with number 5. I get, guys, after Umakhumalo, Mbali gets up and says, mina Vugani put Vugani bengicela ukuthi uzwe nento umseleko antshela yona ukuthi he's telling you guys that some wives are uncomfortable with number 5 being brought up. Please listen to that and please take that. Then Umayeni gets up. Obviously, I addressed Umayeni's part and stuff like that. I liked how Umayeni spoke, but Umatsele was sitting down in her diary session. She says, these people are saying which bebengazi with number 5. Guys, even Umatsele, to be quite honest, she briefed the woman about. She didn't explicitly say to them ukuthi lo mcimbi ozokwenziwa number 5 is going to be an introduction. I just remember her saying to Umayeni ukuthi number 5 because she's one of us, she's going to be there. Not ukuthi she's going to be introduced or something like that. For me, I don't feel like that's informing me. And even if that was the case, I feel like the informing should have came from Musa Mselegu himself, not from any other wife. Do you get what I'm saying? But guys, this episode, Musa looked at Udani, you guys, angazi ukuthi ugula or Udani luphelele amandla or whatnot. But listen, these wives are just like, listen, I know more. You are not going to tramp all over our heads like that, guys. Musa, I was like, Bosenzani, because now he is left estigini, guys, looking embarrassed, looking like he lied to his wives, which he did, but he's embarrassed in front of the whole Duma family. And I'm like, listen, it's your own doings, not that these wives wanted to embarrass you like that in front of the whole family. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there and you tell me your thoughts on this. I was just like, yo, Musa, yazini, tlima, fast, because yay, I can't wait for tomorrow's episode. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.